Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on tonight's video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Jacqueline, and on this channel, I do budget related videos. If those sort of videos interest you, I do hope that you consider subscribing. Okay guys, so tonight is Monday Minis. Yes, this book is getting thick. All right, so let's just see how much we are going to be cash stuffing today. I have, again, my little 20 singles. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And some of these dollars are so disgusting. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to go ahead and set these up. I hope everyone is doing well. All right, so let's just move these over. I have to get my dice tower. Here it goes. This is the money. Let me make sure that this is in frame. So each roll is going to get $2. This one here is from Budget with Carly. These three here are from Living Simple Studios. This is from Two Sister Bees, and this one here is from mbbmusic. All right, so I'm going to start rolling this dice, and like I said, everyone is going to get $2 every time it lands on that particular number. So that's 3, 2. Snowball fight just needs $2. 6. So I need a number 4. Okay, 5, 6. Oh no. How come this keeps falling out of here? 3, 5, 3. I have 2 more rolls. Oh, 2. Who's gonna get the last 2? 1. Are you serious? Snowball fight? You could have been completed today. I cannot believe this. Oh well. Okay, let's just put these over to the side, and we're going to go through each one and color them in, and we're going to count to see how much we have for each challenge. Okay, so let's open this binder up here. So this one is, like I said, is from Budget with Carly. And this one got $2. So let's just get my Sharpie, and we're gonna cross off $2. And this challenge now has 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And this is gonna save 75. The next one is everyone's invited to the picnic. Got 1, 2, 3, $4. Okay, let's get some markers. All right, so $4. I think I'm gonna do this little basket right here, this little picnic basket. This challenge now has 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 26, and it's going to save me $65. The next one is Sandwich Artist, and this one got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's great. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and color in these 2 here, and this one, all I need is 1. So this is going to be green peanut butter. I'm just guessing it's peanut butter because it has that little knife next to it. And this color is super dark. And I did a horrible coloring job, but that's okay. And I'm going to give yellow cheese. Oh wow, I don't want this to, let's see. Did this bleed through it? Oh my gosh, I think it did. Oh no. Good thing that that's kind of green. My bad. All right, so let's just count to see how much this challenge has. This challenge now has 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this challenge will save me $5. So all it needs is $1. The next one is Snowball Fight, and it got nothing. So Snowball Fight has 22. The next one is Tiki Bears. Okay, let's move these markers over to the side and this binder. Let's get Tiki Bears. Tiki Bears has 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4. Let me get my little marker. So I'm going to highlight this one here. So that's a 3. And then a 1 here. All right, Tiki Bears now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's $24. Okay, and the last one is going to be mbbmusic. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so I'm gonna be able to color in 2 bubbles. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have $24. That's great. Let me fix this. And that, my friends, is tonight's Mini Mondays. Let's see how many minutes I have. Okay, so before I go, I do want to bring in my little album of all my mini savings challenges, and I'm going to just pick the next 2 challenges that I will use, because it seems like I'm going to be ending 2 challenges hopefully soon. So let's see. These are so adorable. I think I'm going to do the owl here, and then let's see. That one's 40. Maybe I'll do this one here. The spicy level savings. This is going to save 60. So I will pull these 2 over to the side, and I will put it inside of this binder here. So the next time I do my savings challenges, if I complete one, then I will have already 2 picked out. All right, you guys, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it, and leave me a purple heart emoji. That way I know you guys made it to this point. You guys take care. Have an amazing morning, day, or night, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye, guys.